thank you for joining us for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Teardown video, part of the TechInsights Teardown video series. Google had its Pixel event on August 20th in New York. With the help of celebrities and athletes, Google introduced the new Pixel smartphones, the Pixel Watch, and a new budget-friendly Pixel Buds 2a. All of the devices have advancements in its AI capabilities and more health and biofocus functions. The new Google Pixel 10 smartphones are designed with Google's new Tensor G5 applications processor. For a few years, Samsung Semiconductor had provided the silicon for the Tensor G processors. For the new Google Tensor G5 processor, Google worked with TSMC, and the new Tensor G5 die is designed using TSMC's 3nm process node technology. But TSMC's 3nm technology is more mature when compared to Samsung's 3nm process node tech. Log into the TechInsights platform and follow along with all of the latest updates for the new Google Pixel 10 Pro and the new Google Tensor G5 processor.